Hello friends and welcome to tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to the program which prints all the paths from root with a specified sum in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. In the first input, if the sum is 8, then the path will be 1, 3 and 4. If the sum is 38, then there will be two paths that are 10 and 28 and 10, 13 and 15. Next, let us see the approach. For this problem, pre-order traversal is best suited as we have to add up a key value as we land on that node. We start from the root and start traversing by pre-order traversal, adding key value to the sum so far variable and checking whether it is equal to the required sum. Also, as tree node doesn't have a pointer pointing to its parent, we have to explicitly save from where we have moved. We use a vector path to store the path for this. Every node in this path contributes to the sum so far variable. Next, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We take sum as 8, so we pass the root node that is 1, 8 to sum, 0 to sum so far and a vector path to the print paths util function. Since cur node is not null, we add current node values to sum so far variable. So sum so far will be 1. Next, we add value to the path vector. We check if sum so far is equal to sum. As it is not, we pass the left child of 1, which is 7, using a call stack. As cur node is not null, we add 7 to sum so far. So sum so far will be equal to 8. Now we add cur node that is 7 to the vector. Since sum so far is equal to sum, we print path found and print the elements of the vector path. That is, we print 1 and 7. Next, we check if left child of 7 exists. As it is null, we check if right child is not null. As it is null, we remove last element from the path and move back to the parent. Execution for node 1 is resumed, and now we check if right child of 1 exists. As it is true, we pass the right child of 1, which is 3. As cur node is not null, we add 3 to sum so far. So sum so far will be 4. Next, we add 3 to the vector path. Now we check if sum so far is equal to sum. As it is false, we check if left of 3 exists. As it does, we pass the left child of 3, which is 6. Now cur node is 6. Since it is not null, we add it to sum so far. So sum so far will be 10. Then we add it to the vector path. Now, as sum so far is not equal to sum, we check if left and right children of 6 exist. As both are null, we remove 6 from the path vector and return to the previous call. Execution for node 3 is resumed, and now we pass the right child of 3, which is 4. So cur node will point to 4. Since cur node is not null, we add it to sum so far. So sum so far will be 8. Next, we add 4 to the path vector. As sum so far is equal to sum, we print path found and contents of vector path. As left and right children of 4 are null, nothing is pushed and We remove 4 from the path and finish execution for node 4. We have traversed the left and right of node 3. So, we remove 3 from the path vector and return to node 1. Execution for node 1 is also over. And we remove 1 from the vector and we have the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.